In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make round logo with Canva. We'll build a clean, circular logo from scratch, keep it simple, and make sure it's easy to read and ready to use across your brand. Start by opening Canva. In the search bar, type logo and choose the blank logo option. This gives you a square canvas that's perfect for a round mark and keeps everything consistent from the start. Next, head to Elements and search for Circle. Pick the basic field circle and drop it onto your canvas. Grab the corner handles to resize it until it fills the entire design area edge to edge. This becomes your background shape. Click the color tile at the top and choose a shade that fits your brand. If you already have a color palette in mind, go for strong contrast so your text stands out clearly against the circle. Now add your name. Go to Text, choose a heading or subheading, and type your business or project name. Position it inside the circle and scale it so it's readable at a glance. Try a font that matches your brand personality: bold and modern, minimal, or classic while keeping clarity the priority. Canva snapping guides will help you center everything, so watch for those alignment lines as you move the text. If you like the classic badge look, you can curve your text. Select the text, open Effects, and choose Curve. Adjust the slider until the arc matches the circle's edge. Keep a bit of breathing room between the text and the border so the logo doesn't feel cramped. If your text has multiple words, tweak the curve and size until the spacing looks balanced. Add a little character with graphics. Go back to Elements and search for icons or simple shapes like stars, leaves, or a symbol that represents your brand. Drop them inside the circle and position them so they complement the text rather than compete with it. Small accents near the top, bottom, or sides can add polish without clutter. Finally, refine the colors and spacing. Adjust your text and icon colors to match the background and maintain high contrast. If the letters feel tight, increase letter spacing slightly for cleaner readability. Keep the overall design limited to a few colors so it scales well. When you're happy with the look, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG. It's a great choice for logos and keeps edges crisp. That's it, your round logo is ready to use. Thanks for watching.